Hello, Super Kids! Welcome to Super Kids Fit! Today we're going to move, stretch, and have lots of fun together. Get ready to feel strong and happy. Take a big, deep breath. Let's begin.
Welcome aboard, brave one. The ocean has chosen you for a special mission. Stand up tall, with your feet firm on the ground and your arms by your sides. Always look forward. You are as strong as the island of Motunui. Feel your feet sinking into the warm sand. Nothing can move you because you have the courage of a true island chief. What an incredible presence you have. Look up. The sky is clear and the sun is shining for us. Gently lean your back backward, letting your gaze rise to the sky. You stretch like a palm tree, reaching for the sunlight. Your heart opens to receive all the energy of the ocean. Trust your strength. You shine as bright as a star in the sky. What's under the water? Let's dive in and search for treasures. Bend your body forward from your hips and let your hands and head reach toward your feet. You are diving deep to find the heart of Fiti. Relax your back like a piece of seaweed. You can go very far. Your curiosity has no limits. Come up a little. Let's look at the map of stars floating on the water. Keep your back straight like a surfboard and place your hands on your shins, looking down. You are an expert navigator reading the path in the waves. Your mind is focused and your back is perfect. The wisdom of your ancestors is guiding you right now. Hey, watch out, a wave. Place your hands on the sand and get ready to jump. Place your hands and feet on the ground and lift your hips up toward the sky, forming a mountain shape. You are a protective mountain in the middle of the sea. Feel the strength in your arms and legs. What a great explorer you are. You are taking care of your whole village with your power. Land in sight. Take a giant step forward and get ready for battle. Right foot forward, bend. Left leg stretched back and lift your arms strongly toward the sky. You are a warrior protecting the horizon. Your strength rises from the earth. Keep your arms high and brave. Nothing scares you because your will is stronger than any storm. Quick turn. Let's protect the other side of our raft. Switch legs. Left foot forward bent and right leg back. Hands up touching the clouds. Your balance is amazing. Feel the energy flowing through your whole body. You are a natural leader. Your people trust you because you never give up. You are pure light. Open your sails. The wind is blowing strong and we are ready to sail. Open your arms to the sides in a straight line and gaze firmly over your right hand. You are guiding your path across the great ocean. Your arms are strong like oars. Look toward your dreams with determination. You have the power to go wherever you want. Change direction, turn your feet, and extend your arms with pride. Keep your arms strong at your sides and your brave gaze over your left hand. Stay strong. Even if the ocean is vast, you are the captain of this adventure. Your posture is perfect and your heart is brave. What amazing control you have over your movements. Get ready to fly over the wave crests. All your weight on one foot. Lean forward and lift your left leg back, stretching your arms like an airplane. You are flying like Maui's magical hook. You are an arrow crossing the blue sky. Trust your balance. You're doing amazing, little navigator. Soft landing. Let's try the final flight of the journey with the other leg. Balance on your left leg and lift your right leg. Keep your body straight like a line. You are as light as the breeze and as strong as the wind. It's okay if you wobble a little. Your effort is that of a true hero. You are shining like the ocean. Let's go down to the beach to rest. Sit back on your heels in the soft sand. Sit on your feet with your back very straight and rest your hands on your thighs. You are the brightest treasure of Motunui, a diamond of calm. Take a deep breath and feel the peace of the island. You radiate serenity and strength right now. A little cobra is peeking out from the hibiscus flowers. Lie down. Lie on your belly, place your hands under your shoulders, and lift your chest with elegance. You are a magical ocean creature rising from the depths. Your chest is full of courage and pride. You have completed your journey successfully. You are amazing, and the ocean will always be your friend.
Great job, Super Kids. You did amazing today. Don't forget to subscribe so you can move, play, and have fun with us again. Bye-bye.